Domain name and trademark issues. The domain name is the part of the email address or the home page address which appears after www. Domain names are divided into hierarchies. The top level of the hierarchy appears after the last dot in a domain name. In Microsoft.com, the top level domain name is .com. The .com name is the most common top level domain name and is used to indicate that the domain name is owned by a commercial enterprise. Other common top level domain names include .org for non-profit organizations, .net for network and internet related organizations, .edu for 4-year colleges and universities, and .gov for government entities. In addition to these generic domain names, each country has been given a unique top level domain name. For instance, .ca indicates a domain in Canada and .in indicates an Indian domain. The estimated number of domain name registration has increased. It is clear that the internet is an effective tool for marketing internationally and creating more and more business opportunities. Potential markets are not limited by geographical boundaries. For this new communication medium, the goods or services offered are not available for instant physical identification as are goods in a store. Instead, these goods or services must be located and accessed by a domain name. It is at this point that an issue related to trademark arises. The concern is that an internet address assigned to A would contain words constituting B's trademark. If A is an entirely different business from B, there may not be any trademark infringement problem because there is no possibility of consumer being confused. Many developing countries are not members of treaty related to trademarks. Due to the international nature of internet, this will lead to many legal cases as many applicants will have very difficulty in accessing the trademarks and trade names already registered in other countries. This development makes the allotment of domain name dependent on a global search. Further, consideration may be given to changing format of the domain name to avoid the trademark issues. No clear-cut guidelines exist to decide the cases related to domain and trade names.